Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to create or make a guest account in Windows 11. It means how to add another user with another account details in Windows 11. Let's go. First click on the Windows tab here and type in Settings. Click on Settings, then on Accounts. Find Other Users here, click here. Add Account. Another window will open. You can type in account informations and log in. But if you just want to create a guest account, you just click here. I don't have this person sign in informations. Wait a little bit. Add a user without Microsoft account. Type in the guest name, for example, guest 1. Next. Now you already have this new account. You can just log out or switch between those accounts. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.